When you talk about solar panel cleaning at some point, you can think about this. But do you really think that this is the future of the cleaning? The thing is that for the past 10 years, we've seen different solutions coming on the market. We've seen, as you can see here, the manual cleaning with, for example, manual brushes. This solution is good for the small installations, however, can be very slow for the big installations. Next to that, we've seen these brushes mounted on tractors. These solutions are extremely good for the ground-mounted installations, as you can clean a couple of megawatts per day. However, it depends a lot on the gaps between the lines. Then next to that, we have this semi-automatic rail system, sometimes fully autonomous. That can be also of great help for the big installations. However, it depends a lot on the configuration of the installations. All these solutions can be used for dry or wet cleaning. However, not a lot of them are able to clean any type of installation, such as the floating, as the rooftops. But how to deal with all these challenges, how to deal with all these different types of installations? The idea is to have a solution that is able to clean everything. And for that, we see, for the last few years, some semi-automatic robots. These robots are 100% versatile and are able to go from floating to rooftop to ground mounted. So what is the future after that? So for that, I would invite you to have a look at the video about the future of the cleaning.